Ever stared at your Beforepay approval amount and thought, seriously? That's it? You're not alone. Plenty of people find themselves scratching their heads, wondering why their borrowing power on the app isn't quite what they expected. Let's dive into some of the key reasons why your Beforepay approval might be lower than you hoped. First and foremost, Beforepay, like any responsible lending platform, takes a close look at your income. This isn't just about how much you make, but also how consistently you receive it. They're looking for regular paychecks from a verifiable source. If your income fluctuates a lot, or if you're new to your current job, this could influence your approval amount. They need to see a predictable pattern to feel confident in your ability to repay. Another crucial factor is your bank account history. Beforepay analyzes your transaction data to understand your spending habits and cash flow. They want to see a healthy balance and responsible management of your funds. Overdraft fees, frequent low balances, or inconsistent activity might signal a higher risk, leading to a lower approval. Think of it like this: your bank statement tells a story about your financial behavior. Now, let's talk about outstanding obligations. Do you have other loans or debts? Beforepay will consider these when determining your approval. A significant amount of existing debt can reduce the amount they're willing to lend, as they need to ensure you're not overextended. It's all about finding a comfortable balance that doesn't put you in a difficult financial position. Interestingly, the frequency of your paychecks also plays a role. Someone who gets paid weekly might see a different approval amount compared to someone paid monthly, even if their total monthly income is the same. This is because more frequent paychecks can indicate a more consistent cash flow in the short term. It's also worth remembering that Beforepay has its own internal algorithms and risk assessment models. These are complex systems that weigh various factors to determine an appropriate approval amount. While the exact details of these algorithms aren't public, the factors we've discussed are generally key considerations for any lending platform. Finally, sometimes, a lower approval might simply be a starting point. As you consistently repay advances responsibly, Beforepay may gradually increase your approval limit over time. Think of it as building trust. By demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior, you can potentially unlock higher amounts in the future. So, if you're wondering why your Beforepay approval is lower than expected, take a look at your income consistency, bank account health, existing debts, and pay frequency. Understanding these factors can shed light on the decision-making process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.